Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share job openings from Steparrow Software Solutions. They are hiring for Porur, Chennai and Rajapalayam locations. So as you can see here, they have openings for VB.NET developer, web and app developer, React.js, UI or UX designer, graphic designer and for Photoshop. And also they are hiring for technical support, hardware and software. So coming to the job requirements, you should have good communicational skills. You should be a quick learner with a great attitude. You should be strong in aptitude, problem solving and logical thinking skills. And you should be enthusiastic about exploring new things and learning new technologies. And you please go through the other requirements. Those are mentioned here. If you want to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to them with the given contact number. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.